Alright guys, here's a pretty simple way to hook up your AirPods Pro 3 with any iPhone. Just unlock your iPhone and make sure Bluetooth's turned on in Settings. Keep the AirPods close to iPhone, pop open the lid, and wait for that setup screen to slide in. You'll see the light on the case blink green or orange. Both AirPods need to be in the case, so don't forget that. If nothing pops up, just close the lid, reopen it, or even reset your AirPods if needed. Also, make sure they're charged up. Give them at least 15 to 30 minutes if they're dead. So open the lid of your charging case, double tap the front of the case while the status light is on. Double tap again when the status light flashes white. Double tap a third time when the status light flashes faster. When the status light flashes amber, then flashes white, you can follow the steps on your device's screen to connect your AirPods. From there, it's super easy to set up now. You can either set up Siri right away or skip it for later. Same with head gesture controls. Turn it on now or save it for later. There's even a workout tracking option with heart rate support, which syncs with fitness and other workout apps. Live translation is another killer feature, perfect for chatting in real time with someone local. If you want to skip now, you can always set it up later. You'll also see the loud sound reduction feature, plus a screen showing your AirPods and case's battery levels. If you want to check each bud individually, just pull one out of the case and the screen will update. Once you hit done, you're good to roll. Listen to music, snap pics with camera controls, track your workouts, use translation, and more. And if you want to tweak stuff later, just jump into Settings, tap on your AirPod's name, and everything's right there. Audio controls, mic settings, head gestures, live translation, find my AirPods, accessibility options, auto connect, and more. Keep your iPhone updated because Apple keeps dropping new features with firmware updates in the background. From here on out, you don't need to run setup again. Just pop them in your ears and they'll connect automatically. Hope this walkthrough helped you out. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more free tech guides.